Papa Ron coming to you from Northern California. Today we're doing a thumbs up video for Mighty Mule gate openers. My gate opener is powered by a 12-volt battery that we've put inside a battery box, and then set it inside I think it's called a chimney liner block, and I made a top to hold it. It has a programmable keypad so that the propane or contractors can get in and out of the property. I have 3 remote gate openers that look like a garage opener, and they're powerful enough that I can open the gate from the house, or I can open it from a car when I drive up to the gate. I've had the gate opener for about 5 years now, and I've had to replace the battery once on the gate opener, the car battery. And it was used when I started using it anyway, so it's not too hard on the car battery. It has a solar charger on it. And I've replaced the battery in one of the remotes. The Mighty Mule gate openers have lots of options to open and close the gate. You can have it timed or whatnot. You'd have to look into it if you're interested in a gate opener. And I give the Mighty Mule gate openers a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.